Hello everyone. Today in electricity we are going to deal with the question number 10, that is how many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere on 220 volt line. Okay. First of all, let us find out the resistance of the wire. Here V is given. Your V is 220 volt. That is 220 volt. Your I is 5 ampere. And you know the formula, V is equal to IR, and from here R is equal to V upon I, that is 220 upon I is 5, and that is your 44. Okay, so this is your 44 ohm. Now just see, R is your resistance of wire. Okay, now this resistance, that means R is what your resistance of wire. So here net resistance of wire is 44 ohm, okay, which is less than 176 ohm, that is, which is less than 176 ohm, that is individual resistance. Okay, so individual resistance should be connected in parallel order. Okay, we know in parallel connection, equivalent resistance is. Now just see, before I come to here, let us understand the basics. You know this basic thing. Suppose R1, R2, R3 up to Rn is different resistors which are connected in parallel, then their equivalent resistance is given by 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 in like this 1 upon Rn. Okay, in this way we can find out the equivalent resistance. Okay, here also we will, since it is asked how many, so let there be n resistors of 176 ohm to give the equivalent resistors 44 ohm. So here this capital R is your 1 upon 44, already we have calculated, and this R1, R2 are your 176, so it is 1 upon 176 plus 1 upon 176. In this way we have taken n. How many we have taken? N. So this becomes your 144 is equal to n upon 176. This n has come like 1. If you add n times, it will be n into 1. That is n. From here n is equal to 176 upon 44, and which will give you 4. That means how many 4 resistors. Okay. So how many resistors are required in parallel for the equivalent resistance 44 ohm? That is 4. So this is our final answer. N is equal to 4. And you can also, if you want, for your better understanding, you can write, suppose in parallel there are n resistors and the values are so and so, and accordingly you can work out. Thank you.